You can take basics that you already own and wear them all sorts of ways that you haven't thought about. You're gonna be able to take care of vacation and date night and work and errands and life and just all of the things with a few simple pieces that you can wear many different ways. So here's the way that we're gonna create these outfits in order to maximize all of the items in your closet. You're gonna divide it into two categories, daytime and nighttime. Within daytime, I want you to think about work, I want you to think about errands, and I want you to think about a lunch date. For nighttime, if possible, like an evening event, and then like a date night or a girls' night. Those are the 5 ways that I am going to attempt to make every single piece of clothing transformed. What I want you to do is open your closet, grab a piece of clothing, and just give it a destination. Where are we going? And challenge each piece in your closet to transform for every given location. That's really how you can get so much more out of the investment you already made in your clothing.